Brett, you touched on the word or the concept of tenacity. And, when I think of entrepreneurship, you think of an entrepreneur, willingness to embrace failure, to learn from failure. Entrepreneurs are sometimes tested, people that have been tested in life. Do you think for the business owners and the managers watching today that there is maybe a silver lining in the pandemic in that it has made us tougher because we've survived the experience?
Well, there's no doubt that anyone who gets through the challenges of wearing a mask, keeping your distance, working from home, teaching your kids, parent homeschooling, whatever, these challenges are greater and more challenging than what we would have called an ordinary day life. And yet we always thought that where we were before was the epitome of the challenging life that we're all going to lead. So I think you're absolutely right, Michael, that there's an element of, we got through this, the rest will be easier.
Yeah.
And I just so look forward to the day when, and I appreciate there's going to be a percentage of the population that doesn't want to vaccinate. But when the vast preponderance of our population is vaccinated, the ability to get back to the world we knew, whether it's travel or adventure or gatherings or starting up, working in an open setting, so many of those things are going to come back to us with a vengeance. We're already seeing, short of the influence of jet fuel on global energy consumption, the rebound in terms of barrels per day of oil consumed, conversion into gas or gasoline and all the other byproducts, it has rebounded dramatically, which is why if you look at the stock market in energy, you see a drop in March, April, and from the lows in March, April, you're generally going to see a double or a triple to where the stocks are today.
Wow.
And that's because people are looking past the speed bump that was or is COVID.
Sure.